Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. A Russian man who wore a beard during the time of Peter the Great had to pay a special tax. Not all bees are yellow. A real estate agent's rule of thumb to estimate what a house will sell for: ask the owner what it's worth and subtract 10%. If you just quit smoking, have 1 to 2 tablespoons chlorella daily. It removes the toxic buildup of heavy metals and helps your lung cells recover quicker. A pound of potato chips cost 200 times more than a pound of potatoes. The concept of what won the Nobel Prize in physics was so complicated that it had to be explained using baked goods. 85% of movie actors earn less than $5,000 a year from acting. Maca root powder is recommended during breastfeeding as it improves the quality of the milk without side effects. 85% of all Valentine's Day cards are purchased by women. The Punisher once punched a polar bear in the face because it was too cuddly, lovable, and docile. Alfred Binet, original inventor of the IQ test, created the methodology to identify students who needed help and deployed its use as a rank for a unitary and linear intelligence. This is Tempescope. It's a visual weather forecast in a box. The average cost for a wedding in Manhattan is $82,299. The Kehoe House is the most haunted place in the world and located in Savannah, Georgia. According to a study, people who constantly check and use their mobile devices throughout the day are less able to delay gratification. Every woman in this world wears a little sparkle, some in their dress and some in their eyes. European sunscreens provide better UVA protection. Stunning photos of a jaguar cub playing in the river. Be careful with how much you tolerate. You are teaching them how to treat you. The word mattress is an Arabic word meaning throw. Rare footage of frogs sitting on a tiger and attempting to hunt. The world's largest water park can hold 40,000 people. Photographer captures snow leopard watching from a rocky ridge. Meet the tropical bird known as chestnut-headed or a pendola. All the gold ever mined could be molded into a cube 60 feet high and 60 feet wide. Orangutans spend more time in trees than any other great ape. According to gaming law, casinos have to stock enough cash to cover all the chips on the floor. Meet the secret toadhead agama. The majestic spotted eagle rays of the Maldives. The Summerhill School is a boarding school where all classes are 100% optional. If a child wants, they can just play all day, every day. The enchanting Mayambula lioness captured up close. Black cats have suffered from an image problem since the Middle Ages when they were first associated with witchcraft. Now they are being adopted less because they don't photograph well in selfies and on social media. Roughly 2,200 people are bitten by black widow spiders in the US each year. Contrary to popular belief, most people who are bitten suffer no serious damage and do not need medical treatment. The Code of Hammurabi has 282 laws inscribed on stone. It includes the concept of eye for an eye and tooth for a tooth more than 500 years before the Torah. Crows in urban Japan and the United States have innovated a technique to crack hard-shell nuts by dropping them onto crosswalks and letting them get run over by cars. They then retrieve the cracked nuts when the cars are stopped at the red light. Your birth month is your medieval profession. January, wandering trader. August, fisherman. February, wine brewer. July, Lord of the King's Guard. March, Tavern Enjoyer. October, God. April, Alchemy Master. September, Court Jester. December, Treasure Hunter. May, Baker. June, Loom Weaver. November, Swordsmaster. Thanks for watching.